was here, wasn't he?
Go to hell. Then we'll talk.
I think we'll talk here. Ash was here. Did he have the book with him?
Questions, questions. Can we have some quiet time? Ow! Stop that, you annoying bitch! Fuck off!
Answer me.
All your time spent searching for the book. You haven't learned a thing.
I've learned you can always make things more painful. Oh, you like that?
No, please.